Happy Friday and welcome to 2M2X, bite-sized snippets on innovation brought to you by Informulate. Okay, I'm going to give it to you straight. There are still folks out there confused about what AI LLMs can do and poo-pooing the possibilities, saying it can never do what a human does. And you know what? You're right. Today, an LLM cannot fully replace a human. A chatbot can answer questions from a knowledge base, but it cannot fully truly empathize and de-escalate a conversation with a frustrated user, can it? It can generate ideas for marketing, but it doesn't have the nuance to know what is culturally appropriate or cool. Will LLMs ever be able to do that? Maybe. So should we just stop using it until it can do all the things? Heck no. An LLM is not a like-for-like replacement for a human. That's missing the point. A trial lawyer spends large chunks of their time looking at past case history and setting up arguments. Doctors spend a large chunk of their time looking at past case history and matchmaking with new cutting-edge therapies. Salespeople spend a lot of their time doing customized outreach and writing proposals. So here's the bottom line. Practically every employee role out there spends 20, 30, 60% or more of their time doing things that an LLM could do as well, if not better. That is why there's an AI gold rush going on right now. It's not just tech jobs, it's not just low-end roles, it's everybody who uses a computer for their job. Just like personal computing or the internet or the mobile revolution, there is money to be made and businesses to be lost. So, what are you doing during this gold rush? Let us know in the comments below, and I will see you next week.